Hello learners, morning again learners. Today we're going to talk about income tax. So with me here I have few key points to note when you are dealing with income tax. So what is income tax? Income tax is simply the amount of money that is deducted from person's salary. Okay? So when you come across a problem in income tax, first you need to identify the basic salary, allowances, and nominal rent. From these three key information, we are able to calculate the taxable income of an individual. So this taxable income, what is taxable income? Taxable income is the total amount that is subjected to taxation of an individual. So taxable income, from this information we get it by adding basic salary plus all allowances that you may have identified in your problem minus nominal rent if there is any. So in some questions you'll find that the employer is housed. So when the employer is housed, you add 15% of basic salary to the basic salary plus allowance. You add 15% of basic salary, then you less the nominal rent. That's easy as like that when you want to calculate the taxable income. So when you move, most question will move systematically from calculating taxable income, then you go to the tax table. In the tax table, you will have to identify check first if it is in pounds or in Kenya shillings. If it in pounds and your taxable income is in Kenya shillings, you'll have to change your taxable income to pounds by dividing by 20. So after doing that, you will do the slabbing. After doing the slabbing and you add the total, what you get is the gross tax. Gross tax means all the amount that the government will deduct or you pay as tax. So after adding what you have get from the slab, you'll get the gross tax. So when you want to get the net tax is the amount that you pay as you earn. So net tax is you get by taking gross tax minus relief. Employers are entitled to relief. Some questions they will tell you that the relief an employer gets is 1056, and in other questions you will be given specific reliefs. So when you want to calculate net tax, you get gross tax minus relief. So again, our question or any problem you will get in calculating income tax will move to net salary. When you want to get net salary, in mind you have to keep it that net salary is the final amount an employer gets in his or her bank account after all the deductions have been made. So when you want to get net tax, you will get taxable income minus all the deductions. How do you get all the deductions? All the deductions, you'll have to take the value in net tax, the value I've got in net tax, plus any other deductions that you will have been provided with. So when you get that, you put it here and you take taxable income minus all the deduction. Then you will get the net salary. Okay, thank you for watching. This income tax that we have looked in is a forward income tax. In my next video, I'll be talking on a reverse income tax where you will be moving from net salary back to find the taxable income or the basic salary. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more learning lessons.